Hello everyone, this is the 7th video of this video series on how to create a medical website with WordPress in 2021. A one-page medical hospital or clinic website designed using only the free themes and plugins, meaning free tools. Okay, and in our previous video we have designed a services section. In this section, let's design departments. Here, this is the one. For this, let's copy this section and paste here. Okay, and delete this inner section. Change this heading to departments. Like this, change the description here, and then tab. Sign up post tab, tabs, sign up table. Okay, this is default tab. Like this, and tab. Cardiology, neurology, or name of the departments. Pediatrics, like this. Change the color. Active color. To green. Default color to black, like this. Okay. In the description area, you can put the content. For example, in this page, this is for cardiology. In the cardiology, you can put the title. You can put insert media. Like this. You can add more content. Like this. Okay, like this. Same for other departments. Here content cardiology to neurology, neurology. Here same for hepatology. Hepatology. Pediatrics. Like this. You can change the image. Like this. Okay, you can change the content, but yeah, setting is this, layout is fine like this. This is our department section. And let's give a section title. Departments. Update it. View page. Now if I click on departments, it will navigate to this department section, the newly designed section. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have any doubts, questions, video requests, you can leave a comment below. And if you find this video helpful, please like this video, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.